So I am in Waukesha, sorry, let's get those mixed up. And there's the park. This is very beautiful arches there. There's a beautiful fence. There's the dock where you go fishing. But as a high school, they're doing baseball. Yeah, it looks very nice. I don't come here out often, but I'll show you around for a while. There's other things to do, so let's explore around. I'm on the bench and under this nice arch too. Very beautiful, very relaxing, very fun. Okay, and here we are. We walk, and it's nice. That's a nice tree. That's a cute one. There's a lot of geese, of course, and ducks, and squirrels, and rabbits, birds. Looks like a place to rent boats and bikes. I guess with the bikes, I wouldn't rent them often because I'm always on my bike. But this is a nice tree. Look at that tree. It's a nice pine tree. Something like that. Just up closer if you get some ideas what this kind of tree it is. A nice simple tree. Nice one. This is where people need to walk versus that area. That's where people are supposed to ride their bikes. Yeah. So earlier today, I guess this boy accidentally he was on his bike and the slave didn't see him or just decided to go without looking and just hit his hand and by this truck and oh god, it wasn't his fault, but you know he did look, but careless people, and then there's people making a disturbance, like yelling and cussing, being mad for nothing. I'm like, calm down, people. That's one of these days. It's summer. My summer's been fine, but people are making disturbance. Like, oh, there's another bird. I don't see this bird often. They go pretty quick. I wish I had binoculars. I would bought something, but again, my budget's been a pain. Oh, further up, I think I could see a baby rabbit. Honey, baby, honey. My mom's like, here's up closer. Oh, it's a little growing rabbit. Yeah, there's a lot of rabbits. My mom probably watched here before. The other day, I believe so. Look at this nice path. Isn't it pretty? Oh, I bet in the fall it'll be extra gorgeous, but not too bad. I probably won't be there during the fall time. No. So, yep, that is a rabbit, all right. That looks small. Hi, buddy. Just hopping away. I just love to look at rabbits. I told my mom, like, I like chasing. She's like, you're just weird, Mel. And she's like, leave them alone. That looks like a playground. Show my inner child. And speaking of playground, I can't wait to see the one in South Shore Park. My dad actually calls it South Park with huge show. That's funny. But I'm not looking forward to fall. No, I'm just enjoying summer. I don't want to go through drama. Yeah, last year was a bad memory at the state fair. Because that so-called weight limit rules. They screw the rules. And I ain't that heavy. That was ridiculous. It's like, man, like, I'm not very heavy. No, I'm not heavy set at all. And that's crazy. But anyway, I'm not going to bother with it. Who knows? But I think it seems for. I would love to see more things in the fall. That'd be nice. So maybe I should make videos like that. But here's just in the summer. Let's just enjoy summer now. Okay, so I came across this, looks like this nice garden. Let's go check it out. Wow. Yeah, I seen that other video, this other garden place. The family that went to Spain makes me want to visit there. Convinced me to go there. Really inspire. There's a wedding there too. I don't think it's recorded. It's probably private, you know. Policies. Sign there. No entry. Let's use this. It's safe to go. I don't want to break any rules. Yeah. Yikes. Oh, wow. Probably won't see a lot. I'll just take a video of it. Well. That's a nice handsome garden. Wow. So heavenly there. It looks just very lovely. Some family walking that path. That's right. Okay. Oh, these are cute steps. Very realistic garden, like a fairy garden-like accessories. Oh, look how pretty this is. Look at the garden fences with the full vines. Very beautiful. Oh, look at the ceiling wood. The arches are nice. This place looks like heaven. Oh, just like a place. Just a dream fever kind of way I had before. Nice looking here. You have a pleasant dream if you see this video. Guarantee that. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh, that's a cool umbrella. Cool. Awesome. Alright, here's some more of this adventure. Man, I wish I was doing this. High roller at Riverside. Palpos plays. And they're blockers because my purse, if I fall, I wouldn't. My bag. Wow. That's a lot. Kayaks. Paddleboats. I haven't done paddleboarding with my mom since I was a kid. I did that with my miss to this day. There's snacks, drinks. Oh, there's bikes. Oh wow, those are the little bikes. This is one for kids. Soon, probably. Oh, Jerry. Bear brand. Fave. Place where you have a party. That is so cool. That'll be neat if I threw a party there. Oh, summer party. That would rock. Cool. Memorial Day, Labor Day, water ski. Oh, I don't think I could do that. I'm a little too chicken. Okay. Okay, this is the other side. Yeah, the other playground looks like it's for school. Yeah, just nothing but climbing and just sliding down and talking or playing like dungeon or somewhat. So probably not that much. Yeah, I'm having a pretty good summer so far, except there's been disturbance sometimes in the summer. What's up with the haircut? I was like, that was a bicycle. Okay. It's so nice up here there. It's great for bikes. This is so good. I just adore these tiles here. Oh, another playground. Oh, neat. Oh, this is wonderful. Wow. Holy cow, this is another. Oh, this is the right path. Only no dogs allowed. It's gonna be more work. Really scare off the animals. Oh, that's another playground. Awesome. Yeah, this is the one for school. Looks like that's in better days. Wow. That's a nice looking school. That looks like a nice modern school building. Modern's good. Cool. That is a nice playground. Neat. I'm gonna check this out.